Hi, my name is Curtis with Master Services. I'm a field supervisor, and today you're going to come along with me and we're going to do a SmartJack adjustment. Let's go. Today, guys, we're on a responsive call. The homeowner called in and they had recently done a remodel to the living level of their home. We have some SmartJack supplemental subfloor supports, and what this does is it lends supplemental support in areas to the subfloor up above the beam here that's supported by the jack. We're able to make minor adjustments to the subflooring up above that will, correspond upstairs on the, or not upstairs, but on the living level of the home. The homeowner does have in this area above us here, there is a tile floor, so any adjustments that we make are going to be very minuscule and minute because we don't want to make any drastic changes and potentially crack his tile floor. What I'll do now is go back upstairs or back up to the living level, and we will check function of doors, make sure nothing's binding, and also take some additional measurements via a laser level that I've set up on the living level, and that will give me a good indicator of just how much elevation change we've had. Hey, okay guys, we finished up our SmartJack adjustment underneath the home. Have a satisfied customer here that recently did a remodel on the interior of his home and needed the support jacks underneath his subflooring adjusted to accommodate for the remodel. And I appreciate you guys coming along with me today, and you guys stay safe out there.